Today I'm going to show you how to loop audio in Audacity, step by step, in a way that's easy to follow, whether you want to listen to a section on repeat or permanently extend your audio track. This is one of those simple Audacity features that can save a lot of time when you're editing music, practicing an instrument, checking a voice clip, or building longer audio projects. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Audacity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's cover loop playback, which is the listen-only method. This is the best option if you want to rehearse a section over and over without actually changing the file. To do this, start by highlighting the section of audio you want to hear on repeat. You can click and drag across the waveform until the part you want is selected. Once that section is highlighted, look up at the top toolbar and find the loop button. It usually looks like a circular arrow, which makes it easy to spot. Click that loop button to turn it on. After that, press the spacebar to begin playback. Now, Audacity will keep repeating that selected section endlessly until you stop it. This is really useful if you're trying to fine-tune a sound, practice a musical phrase, or focus on one part of a recording without manually jumping back and forth. The important thing to remember here is that loop playback does not change your audio file. It's only for playback, so it's safe to use any time when you just want to listen on repeat. If you make a mistake, you can simply stop playback and select a different area. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the permanent loop option. This method is for when you actually want to extend the audio and create repeated copies in your project. Unlike loop playback, this will physically add more audio to the track, making your project longer. To do that, first select the clip you want to repeat by clicking the track header or by highlighting the section you want duplicated. Once your audio is selected, go to the Effect menu at the top of Audacity. From there, hover over Special and then choose Repeat. This opens the Repeat tool where you can tell Audacity how many times you want the audio to be duplicated. In the box that appears, type the number of times you want to repeat the clip. If you want the clip to play several times in a row, enter that number here carefully. Then click Apply. Audacity will instantly generate the repeated copies and place them in your track, creating a longer audio segment. This is the method you want if you're building a loop for a background track, repeating a sound effect, or extending a phrase so it lasts longer in your project. Just keep in mind that this is a real edit, so your project timeline will grow based on how many repeats you add. So to quickly recap, if you only want to listen to a section over and over, use loop playback. Highlight the section, click the loop button, and press spacebar. But if you want to permanently repeat audio and extend the track, use Effect, Special, Repeat, enter the number of repeats, and click Apply. And that's how to loop audio in Audacity, using both the temporary playback method and the permanent editing method. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Audacity tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.